Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a crop top made with granny squares. This top is made out of 8 granny squares and 5 triangles joined together. We then make straps with puff stitches and add 2 rounds of single crochet stitches along the bottom. The written pattern of this crop top can be found on my website in size small up to 5XL. I will put the link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. You will need lion brand cobble yarn and crochet hook size 6mm. The written pattern of the square can be found on my website and a step-by-step video can be found on my YouTube channel. I will put both links in the description below. You will need to make a total of 8 squares. So let's start with the triangles. We will start with a magic ring. In row 1 we will chain 3, which does not count as a stitch, and we work the following stitches in the ring. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. At the end of each row we will turn our work. In row 2 we will start with a puff stitch in the first stitch, and we repeat the following till the end. We chain 1 and work a puff stitch in the next chain space. Repeat this to the center chain 2 space. We chain 1. In the center chain 2 space we will make a puff stitch, chain 2, and another puff stitch. We chain 1 and repeat the following till the end. 1 puff stitch in the next chain space and chain 1. We will end with a puff stitch in the last stitch. We now have a total of 6 puff stitches. In row 3 we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet stitches in the first puff stitch. Then we repeat the following till the center chain 2 space. We work 2 double crochet stitches in the next chain space, and we work a double crochet in the next puff stitch. In the center chain 2 space we will work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Then we repeat the following till the end. 1 double crochet in the next puff stitch and 2 double crochet in the next chain space. We will end with 3 double crochet stitches in the last puff stitch. We now have a total of 22 double crochet stitches. In row 4 we will chain 3 and work the following stitches in the first stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Skip the next stitch and repeat the following till the center chain 2 space. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch and skip the next 2 stitches. In the center chain 2 space we will work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Then we repeat the following till the end. We skip 2 stitches and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. We will skip the next stitch and work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the last stitch. We now have a total of 20 double crochet or 10 V-stitches. All we have to do now is repeat row 2, 3 and 4 depending on the size you are working on. Arrange all granny squares as indicated here and make sure the good sides are facing upwards. Now use a needle to join all squares and triangles together. For the straps, we will rejoin yarn in one of the corners and then we chain 2 and work a puff stitch into the corner. Then we will chain 2 and work a puff stitch in the previous puff stitch. Repeat this until you have a total of 12 puff stitches. Now end with a puff stitch into the corner on the back. Repeat the strap on the other side. We will now work 2 rounds of single crochet along the bottom. This way you can tighten up the top for a perfect fit. With the top facing you, join yarn on the bottom in the right corner and start working single crochet stitches evenly around the edge. It doesn't matter where you insert your hook exactly, just try to be as consistent as possible. At the end of round 1, we will continue with round 2 and work a single crochet in each stitch around. End with a slip stitch in the next stitch. Fasten off and weave in all the ends. If it's too tight, work the last round of single crochet with a bigger crochet hook. If your top is too wide, you can work the last round with a smaller hook size, for example 5mm. And that's it! I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!